to Japonica Cooking. My name is Sachiko. Japonica Cooking is all about Japanese food culture. Please like it if you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for future videos. Today I am going to cook ohitashi. Ohitashi. Ohitashi is the word come from hitasu, which means to soak. This is one of the most fabulous Japanese cooking techniques. Even so, it's so simple. First boiled, and then soak in dashi. Flavor of vegetables and dashi's umami, perfectly balanced. Both ingredients complement each other really well. So I am going to use this beautiful vegetable. At the moment, end of April, wild garlic is high season. I went to pick this morning. This long stem is so sweet. It's really beautiful. It's because ingredients is quite strong today, so I recommend to use ichiban dashi. I've done a dashi videos, so I will put link on the below. Ohitashi can be used many different variety of vegetables. Commonly used green leafy vegetables, which is spinach, mizuna, shungiku, komatsuna, Chinese cabbage. Also, these mushrooms, aubergines are popularly used for ohitashi. Okay, let's get started. First, I am making seasoning mix. 180 ml ichiban dashi, 1 tablespoon of usukuchi shoyu. If you don't have, use regular shoyu, and 1 tablespoon of mirin. Mix all together and heat up. Then leave it to cool. I have shimeji and enoki mushroom, both 50 grams each. Cut off the bottom of the stem, then cut into the smaller pieces. Can be used fresh shiitake mushroom, oyster mushroom, and chestnut mushroom are nice too. Boil plenty water in a medium saucepan. Cook mushroom about 1 minute till bring up to boil. Drain and leave on side. Next to cook leafy vegetables. Doesn't take long, so prepare the large bowl filled icy water next to you. Use that same boiling water. Cook up the stem first. Carefully hold that leaf. Cook for 15 to 20 seconds. And then add the whole. Only you need to cook another 20 to 30 seconds. Once it's cooked, transfer into a cold water immediately. I am using a tap water while I am at the right next to it. Use plenty water or ice cubes to stop cooking. This process keeps a beautiful bright green color. When vegetable is chilled, don't leave it in the water too long. Squeeze the water out by hands gently. In here, you don't want to break that nice vegetable texture, but if there is too much moisture, seasoning might be diluted and become weak. Cutting into a 2 cm long. Now combine all together. Place the vegetables in a bowl. Pour dashi seasoning over the vegetables. Leave 2 tablespoons of dashi. Mix mushroom with this a little amount of dashi and drain. Then mushrooms to add to the vegetable mix. Why we're doing this is because mushroom holds moisture a lot. Washing off with seasoning is to make flavor more clear. This calls jiarai, meaning of washing with seasonings. In here, I am only doing to the mushrooms, but you can do that green vegetable too if there is much moisture left. For other technique, use shoyu instead of seasoning dashi. This called shoyu arai. You can use this technique for many other dishes, particularly marinate vegetables. This ohitashi is the best to prepare for a few hours before you eat. Then seasoning is perfectly absorbed. That's it today. Thank you so much for watching till end. See you next time.